welcome back. It's me, El Gato VR, and you ruined it. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
And
Right, hold on,
Mega. I said Mega. Shami. Why? Bro! Matthew, you said the N word got caught in 4K, bro. Alright, today we'll be playing. What's up, gangas?
Wait, let me stop right there. Yeah, you start first.
Alright. I'm starting, bro. Yeah, I could just do. Hey guys.
Alright, what's up?
So I just heard. What's up, guys? I'm Mira, man.
Yes.
Okay. Boy, okay.
Start now, mine.
He's gonna start his
mine now.
you guys. Boing, boing, boing.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
What's up? Today we're gonna play
Gorilla Tag.
No one with my cousin again. And no one asked me to play this game. But I don't care, I'm just gonna play it anyway.
Alright, come on, let's go, guys.
Yeah, but we already started. Wait, hold up. Alright, yeah, I'm in and I gotta take it.
I'm going to la playa. Vamos a la playa. La tuya es el arma. Vamos a la playa. Es el arma, el arma. Lento, du.
Give me one, so yeah.
Of course you do. Come to la playa, bro.
Come in.
No, you're not. Come on. I have to become Monkey Jesus. Bro. No, I heard that. He's not coming, guys. He's lying. Look, this is empty. Okay, never mind. Hey, what was that?
Coming.
Broski!
Oh, there you
Broski! 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 What? No! 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 No, I saw that! Like, I'll prove I can become Monkey Jesus. I can prove. Hope.
Wait, let me see you walk on one. Hell no, bro. I'm not.
Yes, you are, bro. Like, look. That's it.
How do you do this?
To be honest, I just practice all day.
Yeah, you play this game every day.
Alright! Boy, yeah. Matis, why are you not getting tired of saying teeny weeny ching chong, bro?
Bro, what?
Hurta, your mom and I want to look back. Skibidi toilet is behind you.
Dude, don't say scary toilet. That's cringe.
I won't say it, but Matthias does.
You right here.
Bro!
Oh shit. Yo.
No! Yes! Okay, I'm out of here, bro.
Oh, let me take my sweater off. Listen.
Bro, Horita, what took you so long, bro? Huh? It's not church. I know how long church takes. But the freaking mob, bro. You want
I know, but then I went to my
Oh.
home.
You see, that's such a waste of time.
Catch you.
Uh-oh. Nope. Stop this, I messed up. Where's Broski at? Oh, crap. Nope.
This is how you do it. Yo.
Well, bye. ¡Vamos en las 3! Oh, you did it! Yeah, Jorito. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh my gosh. No, how you get here so fast? Boy, yo, 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 yo. Ah! No. We have no minutes. Oh, I see you, broski. Nah. Bro. You know what? I swear. Do it for $1 billion? Jump off the bridge for 1 trillion billion dollars? That is so rich. You're gonna find like 10 oscillators. Oh my god! Yeah! Oy, 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 oy. It was so fun in Mexico. It was so fun. Bro, like, I literally got to meet David like 10 billion chilling. Sorry. Oh, Jorito, you're not safe no more. Guess who's coming? Where'd the blood go? Okay, what the heck? Aye!
Oh shoot!
Nah, you're not getting out quickly, bro. I have speed boost. You're not safe, Jorgito. You're not safe. You're not safe. No one said you were safe, bro.
I'm good. Oh shoot! No! Oh.
Bro! How do you not? Okay, yeah. Okay, water. I'm under the water. Please save me. Please save me, water. Please, please, please. Water, please come save me.
You're not getting away from me, buddy.
Oh, yes I am. Yes I am. I'm glad I am. Don't tag me, don't tag me, don't tag me! I got lucky, I got lucky. Don't touch my booty! I'm drowning! Hey, he's not safe. Guess who's coming? Guess who's coming? Who? Jorito, I got a game that's scarier than Big Scary. Lethal Ape? Yeah, it's free. But the sounds are so loud.
I don't feel like playing this alone.
And his name is Oh no! Oh, gets juked! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm so good! Oh, he's hacking! Report him! Reporting! Oh my gosh, guys! He's hacking! Oh my gosh, guys! Please report him! Hey! You wanna play minigame?
you're cheating with those long arms.
I don't even have them right now.
Yeah, dude. Hacker.
Vamos a la playa. Ay! Help me, guys. No, I did not notice me. I didn't notice me. Wait, what was that? What was that? No. Oh, no. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, ahorita. I'm gonna get off. I gotta go eat. I gotta go eat.
Are we gonna get on?
Yeah. I'm gonna charge it because it's already about to die. And then I'll come back, alright? Keep playing by yourself.
Alright, don't take that long.
I mean, we're eating so much. So yeah. Guys, peace out. And George Camera, peace out, broski.